Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we're going to have a quick tutorial on how we can just make a new group on Telegram. So it's pretty quick and easy. Let's get started without wasting our time. So first thing you guys have to do is just open up your Telegram, and on the very top you can see the three lines on the left side top, three lines. Click on that and you can see the option which is for a new group. Click on that and here you can select all the person which you want to add to your account. Like I just want to add okay, whom should I add? Like I just want to make a person group with that, and make sure that the new group should have only 2 lakh participants. You cannot add more than 2 lakh participants on a Telegram group. So like I've just selected this one. So for creating a group you have to just click on forward and just write the group name. Like I just want to write music and just click on tick, and that's all for this video. And you can see here the group has been made, and that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.